You done, boss? You know, you could have just let us keep cooking while you write.
I need my silence to concentrate, Hattori. Also, boss, ew.
Okay, whatever you say, boss.
What the?
Come on, Yuri, help us out a little here. Make some noise or something.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Louder! Hey, you hearing that, dude? What is going on up there?
Precisely, I would like to ask them. Is that a trumpet?
Where did you even get that from?
They're not the only ones with cows. Kiritsu?
What?
If I remember the last time we made tarts, it was 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You wrote 1 tablespoon.
What?
There's actually a couple more mistakes. It's unusual for you. Thank goodness Mizuki read them through. You good, bud? Whoa!
Yay! Happy Woman's Nature, my child! Oh, okay.
Oh, one dance with somebody.
Okay, I'll be a police car now.